Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Alda, NIM 19044111191, kelas 5 gabungan 2 RPL. Di sini saya akan membuat video untuk menyelesaikan UAS di mata kuliah Intermediate EFL Studi. Oke, langsung saja kita ke pertanyaannya. Pertanyaan pertama, reading the text with correct pronunciation. Answer: computer is an electronic device that is designed to work with information. The Latin computer is derived from the Latin term computer. This means the calculate of or programmer making. Computer cannot do anything with you a program. It represents the decimal numbers towards a string of binary digits. The word computer usually refers to the central processor unit plus internal memory. Charles Babbage is called the grandfather of the computer. The first mechanical computer designed by Charles Babbage was called analytical engine. It used read-only memory in the form of PAN cards. The computer is an electronic device that takes input from the user and processor this data under the control of a set of instruction atau shell program, and gives in the rules output and save future use. It can process both numerical and non-numerical, arithmetic and logical calculation. The basic components of a modern digital computer are input device, output device, central processing unit atau CPU, master device and memory. Input is the raw information entered into a computer from the input device. It is the collection of letters, numbers, image, attention, process. Process is the operation of data as per given instruction. It is totally internal process of the computer system. Output is the process then given by computer after data processing. Output is also called as result. We can save this result in the strong device for the future uses. Oke, pertanyaan berikutnya. Explaining what the text is telling about. The computer is an electronic device that takes input from the user and process this data under the control of a set of instructions, called program, and gives and the result output and save future uses. It can process both numerical and non-numerical, arithmetic and logical calculation. Komputer adalah perangkat elektronik yang mengambil input dari pengguna dan memproses data Ini di bawah kendali serangkaian instruksi disebut program dan memberikan hasil output dan menghemat penggunaan di masa mendatang. Itu dapat memproses perhitungan numerik dan non-numerik, aritmetika, dan logika. Pertanyaan berikutnya. Choosing 5 sentences in the text and analyze the subject and the predicate of the sentence. It represents the decimal numbers. Subject it, predicate represent the decimal numbers. It uses read-only memory. Subject it, predicate uses read-only memory. It can process but. Subject it, predicate can process but. It is the collection of letters. Subject it, predicate is the collection of letters. Selanjutnya, we can save this is Rasul. Subject we, predicate can save this is Rasul. Pertanyaan berikutnya, pronounce this is word correctly. Pertama, device, perangkat, binary digits, angka biner, mechanical mekanik, user pengguna, Rasul hasil, futur masa depan, numerical atau numerik, digital, message storage, penyimpanan massal, image, gambar, instruction, petunjuk, central processing unit, unit processing pusat, programmable mekanik, mesin yang dapat diprogram. Selanjutnya, Charles Babbage. Selanjutnya, phone cards, kartu PAN. Sekian video dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.